Hi guys, this is Akinola King, the lead instructor from KingFX Academy. I want to give you guys 100% strategy in trading boom, only boom. It does not work on crash. I've tested it and it does not work on crash or any other markets, but it's very effective on boom 500 and boom 1000. Is 100% effective. It's very perfect if you can just follow the rules. So all the materials on my screen, you can only see Bollinger Bands and MACD. You can see it there. So anytime the market touch the upper band of the Bollinger Band, you can see where my ellipse is here. So anytime the market touches it, so you will come to MACD and look for signal. So you come to MACD and look for signal below the 0 level. So once you can sight any signal below the 0 level, you enter for sell and you will count 5 to 10 candles. If your account is maybe 8, 10 to $15, just count like 5 candle and exit the trade. If you have enough capital, you can count 10 candle. So it's very effective. So you will get your 5 candle 100%. You will get your 5 candle. You can see it here. If you do the setup and you check your charts, you will see the strategy is working. It's working perfectly. So but it does not work on any other market apart from boom. So I've been using it, I've tested it work well. You can see, let us check this. Let us test it here. I think I can, yes, you see the market has already touched the upper band of the Bollinger Band. So we are waiting for sell signal from the MACD now. We are waiting for sell signal. So if you see any signal, if you see any stick below the 0.000 at the MACD, we enter for sell immediately. You know, we only sell here, nothing like buy. We are not catching the spike, we only sell. Just for here you can see the signal, so you enter for sell. So you can see, let me pause the video and come back if it work. So I will pause the video from here now and come back if it works. Boom, it works. So you can see we have taken how many candles? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The 9 has not complete, so let's wait for the 9 and 10 before we close the trade. You can see we are in profit already. We're in profit. We're in profit. Okay, this is the 10th one. Once the 10th one close, you can close the trade. It has closed, so you close the position. Done. So that is that. You can, let's look for another market. This is boom 1000. Fine, you have seen the signal already. You can enter for sale now. Boom. So I will pause the video and come back to see if it work or not. Okay, let me pause the video now. Boom, it worked. So the 10th candle has complete, so you close the trade. So if you have small capital, just go for 5 candle. 5 candle will surely come. If you have enough money, go for 10 candle, surely see it. So I will show you the setup now. So I'll show you the setup. So let me delete everything on my chart. So you can see that my chart is empty now. So the strategy is effective on the time frame is 1 minute time frame, and the zoom is second zoom. Then you go to this indicator symbol here to add your MACD. Search for MACD. You can see the MACD. Leave the settings like this. Leave the settings like this. Leave the settings like this. Click on done. You can see this here. Here is the MACD. Whenever they stick above the 0, you'll be waiting for it to come below the 0. So whenever it's above, that means the market is buying. So let's add what is it called, Bollinger Band. So leave the settings like this. Click on done. So you can see we have lower band, middle band, and the upper band. So when the market touches the upper band, you look for sell. So you wait for signal at the MACD to enter for sell. So that is how this strategy works, and it's very effective, like 100%, doesn't lack anywhere.
Hi guys, this is Akinla King, the lead instructor from KingFX Academy. So today I want to show you the best strategy in a trading boom and crash for beginners. So you can see all the record here. This trade is last week trade. So with $5,925, $927 profit. So you can see this strategy is very effective, and I'll be using it for long. I've confirmed and tested it before I come up with a video to show my students. So you can see this strategy here is very effective. You buy during crash and you sell boom. So let me just go straight to the chart and show you guys the setup. So you can see my charts here. All you can see here is RSI and the moving average. So those are the two materials needed for this strategy. You can see my moving average crosses each other here. So anytime the moving average cross the oversold region, I'm looking for buy. You know, this is crash. You buy in crash, you sell in boom. So we are not trading spike here. So we buy crash, we sell boom. You can see in RSI, we have oversold and overbought region. So here you can see from 0 to 20 is my oversold region, while 80 to 100 is my overbought region. The 50 level is exit level. Anytime I enter trade and it gets to this 50 region, I exit the market, I close the trade. You understand? So I follow rules. Once you can follow the rules guiding this strategy, trust me, you are good to go. You can see here, this is boom. Boom, here you sell. So once the moving average, I will show you the moving average inside this RSI. The moving average is 7 and 14 MA. So once they cross each other at the overbought region, you sell. You'll be looking for sell opportunity. So you patiently wait, cross very well and cross this 80 before you enter the trade. So and when it gets to 50 region, you exit the market. That's as simple as that. So you can see it here. It's very effective. So it's what I've been using. So and it makes sense a lot. So you can see. So let me show you. Let me first delete all the indicators in my chart so that I can show you how to add it. You can see it. So you can see my chart is empty now. So let's go back to the F. So click on F plus. Then find relative strength index RSI. You can check it here. You can see it here, relative strength index. So you leave the settings like this. So you can see the levels 20, 50, 80, write everything like this. So and then you come back to this color here. You use color that background, the color you will look at the background of your chart. If it is white, select white. If it is black, choose black, because you want it to be yes, you want it to be latent, like invisible in your chart. So we don't really need it, you only need the structure. So we now go back again to add the moving average. You can see the RSI here, that nothing is displaying in RSI. You only see the numbers, the regions. So that is what. So click on F plus to add the moving average. Find the moving average. This is 14. So shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style 2 pixel, color you can choose any color that will come up on your chart very well. So I choose blue. You click on done. So this is the fast fast moving average. So let's go back to add our slow moving average, which is moving average 7. Click on F plus again, find moving average. So click, type 7, change it to 7. So shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. So choose different color, pick red. So then click on done. After that, you can see it. That is simple as that. That is how it's set up. So once you follow the rules, you follow the strategy, you get it. If you have get it right, if you can follow the strategy, you will know the strategy is very effective. Don't forget, you buy, crash, and you sell boom. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media page at KeenFX Academy. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Akin from KeenFX Academy. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I will show you the best scalping strategy to raise small amount of capital to big amount. Maybe for example $10 to $1,000 in a month. That is huge. So this strategy is very effective. I've been using it for the past 6 months now, and it's working perfectly. So put your chart in third zoom. The third zoom, yes. Delete every indicator on your chart. Put it at third zoom. You can see it's 1, 2, 3. Yes. Then we now add our indicator, which is Bollinger Band. So click on F. Find your Bollinger Band here. You can see it up there. Add it to the chart. Just leave the settings like this. Period 20. Just leave everything style 4 pixel. I will use blue color here. You can see there. You can use any color of your choice. So you can see this Bollinger Band here. We have upper band, middle band, and the lower band. So when the market is in bullish trend and it touches the upper band, ready to sell, when you can see any red candle, any rejected candle, just go for sell. And when you sell, when it touches the middle band, exit the market, close the trade. Let me draw it out. And you can see any red candle here, enter sell. And when it touches the middle band, close the trade. You have done for that market, for that trade. So exit the trade. Same thing when you are buying. When the market gets to the lower band and you see any green candle form, you enter for buy to the middle band and you exit. Let me draw that also. So just enter for buy here. When it gets to here, you exit. This strategy is very effective on 1 hour time frame. So it's very effective. I use it this week. Let me show you the trade for this week. You can see here. You can see that this strategy is very effective. Very effective.
Hi guys, this is Akin from KeenFX Academy. So I want to give you best scalping strategy to trade volatility index, boom and crash, and step index. So this strategy is very effective. You can check
You can see today trade here using the strategy. So you can use the strategy, it's very effective. So firstly, you put your chart in second zoom. Use the last zoom here. So put it in second zoom. Yeah, sorry. Okay, yeah, put it in second zoom here. Then now add your stochastic indicator. So click on that F button here. So then stroke down to stochastic oscillator. So you can see it down here. Yeah, this is it here. Stochastic oscillator. Click on it. Yeah, leave the settings like this, just like this. Then you now come down to the level here. Edit the level, make it 3. So and write oversold to level 20, assist to level 50, and overbought to level 80, and click on back. Then click on done. After that, you can see it on the chart here. So you'll be using stochastic for the trade. So this is how stochastic works. So anytime the fast and the slow MA cross each other at these two regions, overbought region and the oversold region, that's when you enter market. Never enter market when it cross between the 20 and the 80. Don't enter market. It is when it cross between 80 and 100, that is overbought region, you look for sell opportunity there. So anytime the fast MA, which is the red, cross the green at the overbought region, you look for sell opportunity. So then you enter the trade for sell. Same here, anytime the fast MA cross the slow MA at 20, 0 to 20 region here, which is oversold region, you look for buy opportunity. So the trade is best used in M5 because you are scalping. So move it to M5. You can see here, once it cross, you enter for buy. So and when it gets to a 6 level, which is the 50, you close the trade. So that is how simple it is, and it is very effective. When you follow this instruction, you will be making the market with profit. It is very effective, guys. I've been using this strategy for long and it's working perfectly. It works on all the markets: volatility 10, 50, 1 index, boom and crash, step index. It works even in jump and range. It works. So that is that on that scalping strategy. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on social media at KeenFX Academy. Thank you.
Hi guys, and welcome to KeenFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinola King. I am the lead instructor. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please click on subscribe button and click on notification button so that you can be notified when we drop a new video. I'm very sure you don't want to miss any of the video dropping on this channel because we drop different strategy on how to trade indices and Forex, and we analyze crypto. So in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best strategy I've discovered so far. Sorry for that. One of the best strategy I have discovered so far in trading crash, only crash. I dropped a video a few weeks ago on a strategy on how to trade boom, only boom. So yeah, and I promise that I'm going to give you a strategy on how to trade crash, only 2. So here we are now. So I can tell you this trade is just between within 1 hour. Yes, the setup is within 1 hour. Is from crash 300 and crash 500. So and I use the lowest lot size. You can see what I have used it to scalp. So this is scalping strategy. You use 1 minute time frame. So let me just take you guys to my chart. As you can see, this is my chart. What you can see on the chart is moving average oscillator and moving average exponential, fast moving average exponential and slow moving average exponential. So these 3 indicators works together. So here we are. This is 1 minute time frame and this is the second zoom. So this is how it works. So anytime you sense you see the fast moving average, which is the red, and the green moving average is the slow moving average, crosses each other down this oscillator moving average, and you see the bullish movement, bullish candle inside this oscillator moving average. Let me show you guys clear. If you see any bullish candle here, so and you see that this place has crossed already, that is when you enter for buy. You know, you are trading crash, you always buy on crash, you understand that. So after you enter the trade, if your account is below $20, don't count more than 5 candles. Take note of that. If your account is below $20, don't count more than 5 candles. But if you have above $20, you can count up to 10 candles. You still have enough money to cover loss in case if there's any small spike along the line. But if you can study this very well, I'm very sure you will escape all the spike. You can see this too. There is bullish signal here, and you patiently wait till this cross, then you enter. Then you will count your 5 candles here. If you have for above $20, you count 10 candles. You understand? So we are going to trade together. So after that, I will show you the setup on how to implement all these indicators and how to use them to trade. So guys, let's take this trade. Let me use this as an example. So as you can see, the fast and the slow MA has already together down here, and there's already signal for the oscillator. So we are waiting for the fast MA, which is the red moving average, to cross the slow MA, which is the green. To cross it clearly, you will see it clearly before you enter trade. So we are going to wait patiently. You know, trading is all about patience. It's a game of patience, you know. 80% patient, 20% trade. So we have to wait till it crosses it very well. So we don't have to force it. It has to show by itself before we enter the trade. So let's keep waiting. The next 1 minute. Sorry for that. So at the end of this candle, at the close of this candle, you know, another candle just starts now. So at the close of this candle, we should enter the trade. So let's wait. Let's wait. So if this candle close now, we are good to go. So guys, this crossing has not cleared very well, so at least we should wait for one more candle. Let I see it very well that the red has crossed the green, so we should not force it. So I will still wait for one more candle. So just have to be patient. That is just the code. Patient. So let's see if this candle close.
if we can enter the trade. So I think it's now clear. It's clear now. So it's clear, but I will still wait for this one to close. You just have to be patient, you know. Don't be hurry. You can't be hurry. So there's no need to be hurrying and lose. So just wait. Let this one close. So you now see that the crossing is now clear. You can see it very well now. That is the crossing has show very well. So you don't have to force it. You have to wait for it to show very well. So it has crossed it perfectly now. So I'm just waiting for this candle to know. Fine. So we are good to go now. Can enter the trade. So let me use smallest size. So let me enter again. Hi guys, I am very sorry for the previous video on my channel. The scalping strategy on crash 300, 500 and 1000. I discovered that the setup part was removed, which I am not aware of it until you guys started complaining about the setup part is not included. Then I checked the video myself and I discovered that is true. The setup part was removed. I am not aware of that. I don't know, maybe it is when I am uploading the video, or I can't even say. But here now I'm here to make the correction. I will show you guys the setup, what made up this strategy. So if you have not watched the previous video, go and watch it for better understanding. Here in this video I'm just going to show you the setup. As you can see on my screen, it's just the oscillator moving average and the two moving average, the fast MA and the slow MA exponential. So now let me delete them and show you the setup now. So guys, my chart is empty now, so let's go back and add it. As you know, just click on here. So then find moving average oscillator. You can see it here, moving average oscillator. Click on it, leave the settings like this, then click on done. So you can see, so this is the oscillator moving average. Now let's go and add the two moving average, the fast moving average and the slow moving average. The fast one is the red one, while the slow one is the green one. So now click on this back again. So click on plus indicator window, F plus, then find moving average. This is moving average here. This moving average, sorry for that, this moving average. So click on it. So this is the slow MA 26. So you can choose any color of your choice, but I prefer using green for the slow MA. Leave the settings like this. Period 26, shift to 0, method exponential, apply to close, start 2 pixel. You can change to any pixel of your choice, then click on done after. So this is our slow MA. So now let's go back and add the fast MA. Click on the F again. So click on this indicator window, F plus again, this. Click on it again, then moving average again. So now change this to 12. Change this to 12. So then change the color, so any color of your choice, but I will select red. So fast MA, always use red for fast MA. So period 12, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, start 2pz, color red. So then click on done. After that, boom, that is all what made up this strategy. So you can add to your charts now. This is the complete video for that strategy. If you have not watched the strategy before, you are supposed to watch it before watching this one. So the title of the video is scalping strategy for crash 500 and crash 300, 500 and 1000. You can check under this channel. I will also drop the link under this video. Yes, the link is under this video. You can watch it. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome to KeenFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinola King. I am the lead instructor. If you are new to this channel, I welcome you. Please, after this video, if you like what you watch and you see something meaningful there, please appreciate by clicking on subscribe button, like button, and drop your comment on the comment section. And if you're already a subscriber, I welcome you to this video. So in this video, we don't have much to do. Let's just go straight to the point. On my screen, you can see I'm focusing on the spike. Yeah, based on popular demand that I should drop a spike strategy on how to catch spike for boom and crash, and I've gone a long way to discover this, and it's 90% accuracy. You know, I always tell you guys that no strategy is 100% accuracy. So no strategy unless you just want to deceive yourself. No retail traders control markets, so we only follow strategy and patterns. So that is what it is. So this strategy is 90%. I can even give you 98%, yes, because it is very effective. You can follow the rules that guide the strategy. So if you can stick to the rules, you will always be coming out with profit every day. You will always be coming out. This strategy is catching spike. You are not trading boom. You are not follow the normal as we know, like buying cash and then selling boom. No, we are catching spike. We are going other way around. So on my screen, what you can see here is stochastic from level 20, 50 and 80, 100. Is 0, 20, 50, 80, 100. In the indicator window here, you can see the stochastic and the moving average. So moving average exponential. Hear me. So how does this strategy work? How can you know when there is going to be spike in the market? First of all, let's do some back testing before I show you guys how this strategy works and how you can use it on your own. So you can see, first of all, you have to your chart must be in second zoom rather. You know, this is the last zoom. So then you zoom out 2 times. 1, 2, and the time frame is M1. You can see that already. So now what else? Okay, your screen must be at the left end. What did I mean by that? Just tap your screen and hold it. Here you can see I can move this like this. So it must be at left end. You can see that's left end. So that is where your screen should be. If you have done that, leave it. So the last candle must be centered with the first candle. I'm coming in. Must be first candle with, you can see this first candle that I click right on it here. This first here.
Your last candle must be centered with it. Sorry for that. So you can first do that. So now this strategy, now this red moving average is stochastic and the green one is moving average exponential. So now you see this 80 to 100 zone, you know we are in crash. If you are catching spike, we are selling, right? So, and when the market get to 80 to 100 region, which is the overbought region, yeah, so this moving average, we first want to get to this region, so it may be the green one or the red one, but you have to wait for the second one to enter. I think the red one is the fastest one to get there. So as you can see here, you can see the red one enter here fast. Let me mark that out. You can see what I'm trying to explain here. So once the green one enter, don't let me use color. Once the second one enter this overbought region, then you click sell. Once it enter, assuming it starts from here, so assuming, let me bring that thing out here. So assuming, you can see you enter the trade, you enter the sell from here, so you will only, let's count here. It's just 3 candles away from the spike. It's just 3 candles away from the spike after you enter from here. After you enter from here now. So it's just 3 candles away from the spike. Then you take the spike. I always tell my students, once the market, once this moving average, these two moving average, the green one, once it gets to this 50 level, this 50 level, you should close the trade. It should exist. You can see it, I indicate it there. So it should exist. Once you get to that level, you know you are scalping, so you should not stay long. Once you get to that level, some spike may happen that we pass through that level. It's fine, that is your luck. But once you see that the moving average has get to this 50 region, that green moving average, I will show you. The green one is my own moving average exponential, so I will show you. You can use any color of your choice, but I'm using green for the moving average. Once the moving average get to this 50 level, just exit the trade. So now let's do some back testing. You can see it here, but it doesn't. I told you, no strategy is 100% accurate. You can see it here too. Assuming you enter from here, as you sense the green moving average enter this overbought region, you place your sell. Place your sell. Then you will lose like 8. You will be in red for like 8 minutes before the spike occur. You understand? You will be in red for like 8 minutes before the spike occur. You can see that if you enter from here, so the spike happen here, so you'll be in red for like 8 minutes before the spike happen. So let's go back again and see it happens here too. So assuming you enter from here now, sorry, you will be in red for like 4 minutes before the spike happen. So make sure these two moving average enter this overbought region. When you are spiking, crash, you are selling. So let's check boom too. Let's check boom. So this is boom. You are buying here. So when these two moving average enter this region here, that is the oversold region, 0 to 20 oversold region. So you can see here, see this here, as this green moving average exponential enter the region, the spike happen. Assuming you enter from here, you will only be in red for like just 3 minutes. Then you see this whoop spike. Like I told you, the spike can cross over the 50 region. So you can see this happen here. It passed through the 50 region to 80 straight. So you know how much you will have picked from that. The strategy is very effective if you have enough patience to wait till the two moving average enter the region. You can see it here too. Assuming you enter from here, then you wait, you will be in red for like 4 minutes before the spike happen. You can see the green enter from here, then the spike occur from here. So let's see another one here, another one here. So this strategy is very effective, very sorry. You enter from here, this one you are going to be in red for like 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Some people may not be able. That's why if you use, you must know how to use risk management. So you don't want to use high lot size. So if you use lowest lot size 0.2, you will still be safe. It won't take much from your capital here. So you're being red, you're being lost for like 10 minutes before the spike occur. After the spike even occur for the first time, it still drop down here, still drop down, then before it goes up. You can see that. So the strategy is one of the best. You can see another one here. So you enter from here, you enter from here. Sorry. And the spike happen here. You only stay in red for like 3 minutes. So that is that. So guys, here we are. So there's one secret I want to tell you before the setup. You see, you will have seen this strategy before, but they are not going to tell you this. You see, before you enter the trade, there's some confirmation you must do so that you will not lost much. Let me see if I can see anyone that is close. Anyone that is close. Gosh. Like here now, you are looking to buy. You can see that this stochastic here has dropped to 0. You can see that place is 0 now. You have to wait for this one too before you enter for that buy. Even if the two moving average is that oversold region, before you enter for the buy, you have to wait for this one to enter like 5 is in 26 now. It must drop to like 5. Spike can happen before the 5, but if you enter like 5, you have low capital. Wait for it to enter like 5 to 3 before you place the buy. The spike will happen when this place gets to 10 to 0. The real spike will happen, but you don't know when it's going to happen between that 10 to 0. So you wait. Sometimes it's dropped to 0 before it happens. So, but if you don't have much in your capital and you place the trade when it is at 10, you know how much it's going to take from you before it gets to that 0. So it's going to take a lot from you. So you have to wait till it enter 5 or 3 before you place. Even if it's going to enter 0, you don't have much to lose when you enter at 3. So that is that. If when you are selling, like here now, here is 100. It's already complete 100. So you will wait, patiently wait for this one to enter like 95. If you know your capital is not much, if you have enough capital, you can enter from 90. Once you enter 90, you can enter once you enter 90. But if you don't have much, the rate spike will happen between 90 to 100. Though spike can happen before the 90, but the real one you need, according to this strategy, these are the terms and conditions applied with this strategy, and you have to stick to it if you want to remain profit in the market. So you have to stick to it. So you wait till this place gets to like 95, 96 before you enter the sell. It may get to 100 before it happens. So some people used to wait to like 98. Sometimes I take the trade at like 98. If I want to trade with like $10 account, I will wait till it gets to 98 before I place the sell, so that I won't be able to lose much. I don't have enough capital to accommodate the loss. That is why I waited to that time before I enter the trade. So if you don't have much in your capital, always wait. This first 100 is the one that you enter the 100 first. This moving average, this stochastic, this one will enter the 100 first. So you'll be patiently waiting for the second one to close to that 100. No matter how, when it gets to 99 to 100, the spike will surely happen. It can never exceed the 100. You can't see the 100. So that's why I say you can enter from 96 or 98, 95, 96, 98. You should enter. You can't see the 100 before the spike happen. I never see it. I have seen in front of the screen several times. I never see it. So the 100 will not happen. The spike will occur before the 100. So you should monitor your entry. So you have to stick. So if the spike happen before or what you are expecting happen, don't feel bad. It is what your strategy telling you. So you are not the one controlling the market. It is the strategy that is controlling your trade. So you should stick to it. So if you want to remain profit. So now guys, if you follow the rule, you should come out profitable. So you should have a profitable trade if you follow the rule. So now guys, let me show you the setup. So as we all know, just click on the F symbol here. So you all know how to do that. So you can see stochastic. So this is the settings. You can screenshot it or you can cram it. The period 20, D period 20, K period 20, D period 25, slowing 3, price feed, low high, method exponential, and the main 2 pixel. So the here now you will change the this color to the background of your chart. If you are using dark background, you will change it to black. I change it to white because I'm using white background. So the main should be the background of your chart. So while the signal can be any color of your choice. So the level here now, so you can screenshot it. This is 20, 50, 80, and I'll put exist as 50. You can also do that if you wish. It's not necessary. So that is that about the stochastic. You can screenshot that, then click on done. You can see that. So now let me even delete it. Let me delete it so that we do it together. It's not as if somebody is doing something. And you can see my chart is empty now. So now let me add the stochastic first. So stochastic, this is the stochastic, you can see that here, stochastic oscillator. Click on it. So this is the settings, this is the settings, the level, this is it. So after setting it like this, then click on done here. You can see that, just click on the done. You can see I have the stochastic here with only one indicator, moving average. So let me add my own moving average exponential. So just click on this F symbol again, click on the indicator window 1 here. So just click on that place. So then find moving average. So you can see the period is 10, the shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, style 2 pixel. So you can use the color of your choice here. So I use green. Just lift it like this and then click on done. Click on done here. Done. So guys, you can see here I'll get to 88. So if you are still waiting, so if you are waiting, if you just want to enter when this two enter this region, you know, you will still be in loss till now. You can see what I'm trying to explain to you. So I will have wait to know what will happen in this video, but I have a lot to do, guys. I just said I should drop this here today. So but you can patiently do that on your own. You know, I always say any strategy you learn from this channel before you enter into real trading, just first test it. That's one thing about Forex. You have demo accounts to test any new strategy before you apply it into your trading. So you have demo. So this is not crypto trading, this is not Binance, not future that you use your real money. You have demo, you have chance to try it with your demo account. Try it with demo, confirm it before you use it. Not that because you just get one strategy on YouTube, you started using your money to take the risk. So no, don't do that. Use your demo to do the risk. So confirm the strategy first. Use like 2-3 days, confirm the strategy, see how it's earning you, see how profitable you are trading. Like calculate your loss, calculate your profit, and see how it's working for you before you now say you want to apply it into your real trading. That is just it. You can see it has entered 90 here. So if somebody don't know and they say, okay, oh, this true moving average has entered this region, oh, let me just place this, the person will still be in lost. So nobody will tell you that. The secrets I just share with you. So you may see similar video like this on YouTube, but they will never explain that to you. So I just did that. So guys, if you test the strategy on your own and it's work for you, please come to the comment section, write something good. You understand? If you just thank you, I don't mind, it's okay. Like the video, subscribe. It doesn't consume anything from you. Please, that's so that you can be able to be dropping strategy every time. So those are the motivation we want. So if you still like few comments, so those are the motivation that will keep us finding some strategy. So we used to drop a lot of strategy here. If you check under this channel, you will see a lot of strategy on boom and crash, how to trade boom, how to trade crash, step index, volatility 75, even Forex. So I dropped Forex strategy last week, 50 ppd strategy, and strategy is working perfectly. So before I come here to drop any strategy, is what I've been using. I've tested it and confirmed it before I come up with a video. I don't just come up with a video and then, because I can't take people money at risk, I can't blow people's accounts. So it's not, that's why I used to say test it on a demo before you begin to use it on a real account. So guys, I wish you happy trading. So this is the end of the video. Please drop your comments. I want to see your comments. Even if the strategy doesn't work for you, please state it in the comment section. Hello guys, with what you can see so far, you know that this is one of the strategy you can use to scalp, boom and crash. That is very effective. Let me quickly explaining how it works and how you can apply it to your trading. My name is Akin Lakin. I am the lead instructor from KinFX Academy. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please you know what to do. Click on subscribe button and don't forget to click on notification button so that you can be notified when we drop a new video. So guys, and if you're a returning subscriber, I welcome you to this video. We have been dropping several strategies on this channel, which it has been verified with our subscriber that all the strategy is very effective. Like I always said, no strategy is 100% efficiency, no strategy is 100% accuracy, but at least a good strategy must be 70% effective. Like if you have a 10 trade in a day, you must have 7 in profit. That is how to determine a good strategy. And all the strategy we are dropping, doesn't matter you use all the strategy, just stick to a strategy that is perfectly work for you. You can't be using all the strategy. Like I always said, most of my students, they will be adding different indicators to their screen. I like, you don't have to be using 2-3 strategy when you can pick one that is perfectly okay for you. So like this strategy now, let me quickly explain how this strategy work. Let me say something before I started showing you the setup and explaining it. This strategy doesn't work on crash 300 and boom 300. It's only work on crash 1000, crash 500, boom 1000, and boom 500. It doesn't work on crash 300 and boom 300. I have tested it. Before I come up with a strategy, before I come up with a video, I will make sure I test the strategy very well, because I can't let you guys blow your money. And I always say, before you pick any strategy, make sure you first test it very well on demo account. Make sure the strategy is very effective and it works for you, then stick to the rules of the strategy. It will surely help. So now in this strategy, with what you can see on my screen is market facilitation index and then RSI relative strength index. So let me quickly explain how this strategy work for you guys. As you can see here, you can see 10 year and 90 year. So that is the RSI figure level. Yes, let me say this is level, sorry for that. So, and you can also see a line, this black line here. So how does all these indicators work together? You see these lines. So once these lines touch the 90, if you are in boom, once this line touch this 90 region here, you should buy and count 5 candles. Make sure it doesn't pass 5 candles after you sense this black line touches 90. Just go for buy and count 1 2 3 4 5, then exit the market. So you can do some back testing and see anywhere the anywhere this indicator, this black line, touches this 9, you can I'm very sure you can count your 5 candle before you see any spike again. So you can see that. Make sure before that the zoom level is second zoom 1 2, and the make sure your screen is at the left end like this. You can see, make sure it's at the left end, so make sure that the left end like that. So then you can see all those lines. If you are trading boom, like boom 1000 now, so if you sense this touch here, then you are ready to go for sell. Just count your 5 candles and get out of the market. So that is that on this particular strategy. So now let me show you guys the setup. So just click on this F. What you can see here is market facilitation index and relative index. Let me delete them and add it back. So let's go and add them. So market facilitation index, so where is it? You can see it is at last this thing here. So that is it. This is it. Then click on it. Well, first of all, we should add our RSI. Yes, we should add our RSI first of all. Relative strength index. You can see that here. Click on it. Leave the settings like this. The period 100, apply to close, style 1 pixel, and change this color to the background of your chart. If you are using dark background, change it to black. If you are using white background like mine, leave it at this white. It depends on the background of your screen. Then the level is 10 and 90. Then click on done. After that, this is done here. Then click on done. You can see this is my RSI here. This is the RSI region. So then let's go back and add the market facilitation index. Then click on this F+ for indicator window 1 here. Then let's go down. This is market facilitation index. So then click on it. Leave the settings like this. The MFI up volume up should be the background, like should be black. That is the black line you are seeing. So volume down, MFI down, volume down, and MFI up, volume down should be the background of your screen. You can see white because my background is white. That is why it is white. So if you are using dark background, you should put this into black and then use this into white. I hope you get that. What I'm trying to say is that this white here is because my background is white. That is why I put it white, because I don't want to see that particular line. So you can also do that. If you are using dark background, you should use what will make you not see the line. So you can screenshot the setup like this. The volume is thick, line 4 pixel. That is that. Then click on done. So sorry, I have added another window just supposed to be. So let me just go back there. Let me delete this. Click on it back. Market facilitation index, the settings done. Then go back again. Then RSI done. So it's complete like this. You can do it, it depends. So what I do, well, it's because we had the RSI first, that's why it splits the indicator on the screen, but it should be together. So you should add the facilitation index first before the RSI. You should add the market facilitation index first So guys, test this strategy very well on demo accounts before you jump into a real account. So and let me see your comments whether it works for you or not. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video, drop your comments, and subscribe if you have not done that to this channel.